Hey, the seller sent me this 12-pack of baby-proofing cabinet locks for free, so I'm going to check them out and give you my thoughts. So the timing on this worked out perfect. We're expecting in a few months, so we're going to set one of these up to show you how it works. Here is your packaging itself. Now this does come with little screws, but I like that everything comes with double-sided tape. I just want something simple and easy to install to help protect our cabinets. So the way these work, there's a tab here that's going to go on the top of your cabinet. And then this hook is going to go on your door. And that's what's going to prevent the door from opening. And then to open this up, you're going to press this down. And that's what's going to unlock this. You can also keep this off to the side if you don't want to lock your cabinet. All right, so the first cabinet we're going to lock out is going to be the liquor cabinet. So here is the door. I'm going to use some alcohol just to kind of clean the surface of where I'm going to put that tape. You want your area that you're going to stick the tape to be nice and clean. Now we'll take the part that goes on the inside. We easily take off the backing of the sticker. And then you're going to want to install it this way. We'll just kind of line stuff up. So we're going to kind of put it right in the corner here. Give that some pressure. And honestly, this is sticking very well from literally just putting that on. Now we're going to take our hook and we're going to want to line this up. Because you don't want to be too high. It's got to hook onto this. This piece stuck right on. I would recommend keeping an eye on any hardware that you have on the inside before you put your top piece on. That way everything lines up. But we got this stuck on. Once again, this adhered very well. So now you can see this is preventing me from opening this. Now I'm sure if I yank as hard as I can probably break this off, but the whole purpose here is a baby or a child. You want to prevent them from opening the door. Now we'll take a closer look. So when you want to open this, you're just going to press down and then you can open your door. And you can also, when you're shutting it, you can press this down just to make it shut a little bit easier. You can also easily do this with one hand. This is very simple. And then when you want to shut it, you just press it in and it locks. And like I said earlier, if you don't want to use the locking feature, you can stick this off to the side. You can freely open and close the door. I like these are pretty minimalistic. These don't take up a lot of space. These were super easy to install, and I think it's a really simple way to keep your cabinets from opening.